If you're trying to build a business brand, you also need to try and build a personal brand. I don't think there is a way around that nowadays because people want to understand who is behind the product. So as you were saying, Richard Branson, for example, there are many famous examples of entrepreneurs who also put themselves out there, who marketed themselves as an entrepreneur while promoting their products or their services. And they had to do some crazy marketing stunts.
I mean, going in a balloon.
Yeah.
Surfing.
Yeah.
All this gets it.
Gets the attention.
Yeah.
And also makes the brand really well known because all the papers then cover it, all the magazines cover it. And people then are familiar with the face, they're familiar with the brand, they make that connection, and that's what builds the trust, really. So we're not saying you have to go as far as Richard Branson.
I mean, as far as me or some of the other people, but go as far as if you want to do that, Kim Kardashian, if you want to can do that, because I've seen one thing I actually say. So if I do an explainer video about actually explaining how Sequoia Tapco SEO consultant SEO tips work, people are less likely to see because you've seen it, there's like another thing. I don't have that. I do a singing dance and draw. Would be 200 people back in the days, thousands of people would see. When they see and interact, say on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, then next time, when I actually do algorithm, because they interacted, my videos are being shown. So that's one of the things. So then even that, if I can show in a interesting play, and explain the thing, that's why creative videos have a
so you would then, instead of just explaining your product or your service, you would do it in different places, and you would show your lifestyle. So
if I show from a top place in Dubai or in a top, and I start with that explanation, and then I of course working on Sequoia and the stuff, or that connects people. They will remember that moment. They don't want hosting or job. However, later it's been connected, they remember that they are subconscious. Coca-Cola keep on showing all the time and the stuff.
And you will see, even if you look carefully, lots of big movies have Coca-Cola in the background somewhere.
Right, they keep on doing
Netflix as well does it. Netflix all the time.
Keeps on getting people's head on and off. So whenever we go and see, we're like, just one Coke today. Knowing that is bad, we get it like a lot of branding. That means the lifestyle has the best thing to show branding. So some of the people who can't spend on advertising, they can start storytelling. That's why content marketing comes through, especially with video. You can get across to people. People are more interested on seeing it. If I do a workout video and wearing a gym Sequoia brand, and then suddenly actually create the story towards doing the vlogging, connects with the people more than I'm trying to do on a video explaining how to use this.
Yes.
Right? Let's convince the people come to the website.